This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fully apply the handbrake and place chocks each side of the rear wheels. Position the jack head under the front subframe rear mounting, then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. Rotate the oil filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Position a suitable container beneath the engine sump drain plug. Using a socket or spanner, unscrew the drain plug and allow the oil to drain into the container. Check the condition of the rubber seal on the drain plug and renew it if there are signs of damage or deterioration. Mop up any spilled oil, then insert the drain plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Move the container to under the oil filter at the front of the engine. Then unscrew the filter using a filter removal tool. Be prepared for oil spillage. Clean the filter sealing area on the housing. Lubricate the new filter sealing ring with a little clean engine oil. Then screw the filter into position. Don't use any tools, tighten by hand only. Remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Using a funnel to reduce spillage, add the correct grade of engine oil. Add the oil a little at a time, checking the oil level frequently with the dipstick. Bring the level up to the lower mark on the dipstick, then add more as necessary to bring the level to the upper mark. Securely refit the filler cap and mop up any spilled oil. Start the engine and run it for a few minutes, while checking for leaks around the oil filter seal and the sump drain plug. Note that there may be a delay of a few seconds before the oil pressure warning light goes out when the engine is first started, as the oil circulates through the new oil filter and the engine oil galleries before pressure builds up. Stop the engine and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle in the sump once more. With the new oil circulated and the filter now completely full, recheck the level on the dipstick and add more oil as necessary. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks.